Staying with the occasion of Ram Navami, the VHP, which is the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, held a rally in Howrah in West Bengal. This is the same place where violence was witnessed last year. This also is the same place where the TMC held its Shobha Yatra earlier in the day. So it was competitive Shobha Yatra, so to say, as far as the occasion of Ram Navami is concerned. This is also the first time that the TMC has held a procession like this. The TMC also declared a holiday on the occasion of Ram Navami. Several rallies and processions have been held across West Bengal all through today, all peaceful for now. Komalika, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Komalika, even the same area which witnessed violence last year, the rally today has gone off, for the procession today has gone off without any incident?
Still the procession is on, since it's a long route and it's going on. And now we know that after the VHP, the Anjani Putra Sena, another Hindu Sangathan, they will also do a procession through this same route. So we have to keep our fingers crossed to see how things work on. In the other place in Hooghly, there too, what we are coming to know that the rally has started through the same route. Let me tell you that the Trinamool did a rally in Howrah, but that is not in this route, but some other route. But this is the Vishwa Hindu Parishad. The session is almost over. There is no incident. There is huge deployment of security, drone monitoring. Everything is done there. That's clear. So till now, nothing has happened. Another rally, Anjani Putra Sena, that rally will start in a while, and we'll have to really see to that.
Right, Komalika, thank you so much for getting us the latest. The political war of words, meanwhile, in Bengal continues. Let's listen into some of those reactions.
বাংলা মনে রাখবেন একসাথে সবাই থাকে আর আজকের দিনে ওদের দাঙ্গা করার পরিকল্পনা আছে সাবধানে থাকবেন সতর্ক থাকবেন দাঙ্গা করে ভোটে ফয়দা লুটতে চায় দাঙ্গা করা ছাড়া ভাব আর কোনো গ্যারান্টি নেই
जब पूरा भारत और संपूर्ण विश्व एक अविस्मरणीय और अद्भुत श्री राम नवमी का पर्व मना रहा है, इंडी गठबंधन के नेता अपनी उसी दयनीय मानसिकता का परिचय देते हुए एक बार पुनः भारत और भारतीय संस्कृति को अपमानित और लज्जित करने से बाज नहीं आ रहे। सर्वप्रथम मैं उदाहरण देना चाहता हूं, बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी जी ने ट्वीट करते हुए रामनवमी के बारे में लिखा, टू मेंटेन पीस। भाई आप शांति बनाए रखने की अपील कर रही हैं, इसका मतलब कि आप इस पर्व को अशांति से जोड़ रही हैं। यह सीधा सीधा रामनवमी के पर्व का अपमान है।
On that note, it's time for a quick break here on this edition of Setting the Election Agenda. But we'll get you more voices from on ground. We'll also get you the biggest political controversies ahead of phase 1 of voting, which is on Friday. Do stay tuned for that.